It's an old shock bushing or sway bar bushing or whatever you want to call it. Tighten that down, take pressure off your springs. Or put pressure on your springs, technically. Even pressure. Five-finger death clutch. Now we gotta take this apart to get our set screw out. All right, now that I got all that tape off there, super clutch goes on. Nice and clean. Oh, diaphragm wants to fall off. So then this plate goes onto the diaphragm like that. And your old plate goes over top of that. And that's it, no springs. And you put your nuts back on. I think it's 400 thou or something like that. Very cool. From the end of the stud to the face of the nut. Let me look. It does come with this installation guide, sticker, cool artwork, and yeah. So 6 to 10 threads deep or 0.4 inches from the top of the nut to the top of the stud. Right there. Let me get a scale. 6, 7. You'll tell when they all have tension on them. They're even. That's it. Now, set screw. Phillips head side out, obviously. Down till it touches, quarter or half turn out. Touched, half, half. Take that thing down till snug. Back it off a little bit. Snug, half turn out. Then you gotta hold that bitch with your screwdriver while you lock that down. You're good. That's that.